In this video, I will show you a trading strategy you never see before. So I will explain you from beginning to the end how the strategy works, how you include your indicators, and at the end of the video, I will show you the strategy in a live trade. So stay tuned, there are coming a lot of things for you in this video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I would say, let's go. So the first thing we have to do here is to go into our analysis platform. And for this, I'm using all the time, as you can see, tradingview.com. This is the right link, no other link. Just go here with TradingView. And if we click on it, it should look like this right now. What we have to do here is first of all to look for our asset. And for this, you can go here to the search bar and there you can go for your asset. But very important is that you first type in your broker. In my case here, this one. After this, I go here with BTC USDT point P because I'm using the perpetual mixed contract, the future market, and I'm not using the spot market. So I'm going here in launch chart, and after this, the chart will definitely open here, and now you are in your asset. So the first thing we have to do here is to take focus for our time frame. As you can see, I'm using for this strategy the 5-minute time frame. You can find if you go here and there you can see there are all the different time frames. I'm using here the 5-minute time frame for this video. Next, we have to go for our indicators, and for this I'm going here to the indicator box and take a look for the EMA, and here comes the moving average exponential, which is the indicator we need today. There you have to be sure that it's this one, not the double EMA, not the triple EMA, no one else here, just the normal moving average. So if you click on it, you will see it's coming here to the top left corner, but we need it 4 times. For this, I click 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and now you can see all the EMAs are here included. You have the option, because if you don't have the free version, you cannot include 4 indicators. You're just allowed for 3 indicators. So you can play with it, or you can, in this case, using the triple EMA. But in my case, I do it like this. So now you see there are the blue lines here to the chart, but right now all the EMAs are in the same settings, and we want to change this definitely. So we go here to the first indicator and go here in the settings. The first thing I do here is to change the style on a clean white color. You can also do it like a bit bigger here. And what is very important here are the inputs. So the time frame will be the normal chart, but the length in this one will be on 5. After this, we go to the next indicator here. We can also change the color here to, for example, red, let's go with yellow. In case of the inputs, we go here not with a length of 9. In this case, we need the length of 8. So we also can go back to the style and make it here a bit bigger, and then we click on OK. After this, we go here with the third one. There we want to also change the style. In this case, for example, here on red. And on the inputs, we go here with a length of 13. And then we go here again and make it a bit bigger. So we go here also with OK. Now you see there's something changing here. So let's come here to our last indicator. And this one is a special one, because this one we take not in the normal time frame. We take it here to the 30 minutes time frame. And in this case, in a length of 9. Okay. So what we have to do is the style, we can just let it like this. And then we have to confirm it. And now all the indicators are perfectly integrated to our chart. Let's come to the point what the indicator tells us. So the purple indicator is like the over indicator, which gives us the signal if we want to decide for a long or for a short trade. But because we only focus short trades if we are above the purple indicator, and we will only focus long trades if we are below the purple indicator. So what does it mean? It means if our 3 lines are below, like in this case, the purple indicator, then we will focus on a long trade. If all our 3 EMA lines are above the purple indicator, then we just focus here for short trades. This is what the purple indicator tells us. Next to this, we have our 3 EMA lines, and one tip for me is if you go here to the indicators on these 3 dots here, you can go to the visual order and bring it to the front. And if you do this with all 3 of these EMAs, you will see that they will give you a much better view. So now you can identify the 3 much better. And now I want to tell you about these indicators. These indicators are all in the like normal time frame, but in different length. And this is because like for example, the right indicator goes more with the normal chart moving. It's like a faster EMA, and the other ones are like smoother. And we want to focus when the like white EMA, the 5 EMA, is crossing our yellow and our blue EMA. But here it depends again if we are above or below our purple indicator. So for example, like in this case, we are above, and here we want to focus for short trade. And that means we want to focus when the white EMA is crossing the yellow and the blue from up to down. So for example, here it would be on this point, and on this point we want to focus for short trade. So if we take a look here, and we would like go here with a short trade where the line is crossing, we would start our short here, and it would work perfectly. So here's one example for the opposite one. If we want to focus for a long trade, we go below our purple line, and here we can see that our white EMA is crossing the yellow and the blue EMA from down to up, so in an uptrend. And that means that we would enter in a long position right here, so with this candle. And if we, for example, would like make our stop loss to the last low here and go with a 2 to 1 chance risk, we would like definitely hit our take profit with this trade also. So now we have the theory of the strategy. Now we want to go to the trading, to the live session. So let's switch here and try our strategy. But before we come now to our live trade, there's one last important point, because in this strategy, for example, I'm using no take profit. So if I would like go here with a short position, I want to explain you, I will not using a take profit. I will just move my stop loss all the time. So I don't have a specific like price target. I'm just going here with my stop loss all the time. So for example, if I would go here in a long trade, yeah, on this point, our white line crossing all the other lines here, and we would go in a like long trade right here. We will not using a take profit. We will just wait, like if the chart is going, for example, here like this, 0.5 up, then we go and make our stop loss entry. After this, we go and make our stop loss 0.5% in profit. After this, again, stop loss higher, and so on, so on. So I think it's very clear here how this strategy works. So guys, if we take a look now to the situation right here, we see that our white line is crossing our blue and our yellow line. And this is why we want to go here in a short trade right now. So I would like try to get this position here. I'm not using a take profit, and that means I'm switching now here to my broker. So guys, you see I'm in the trade right now. The stop loss you can see also here. So I would say I will focus now here for the trade. If we will go here in our direction, I will move my stop loss, but I will definitely explain you in the following. So I would say let's focus on the trade and see you back later, guys. So guys, you see now we are already here in a big profit, and I already switched my stop loss here to this level. And that means if the chart is now going to our stop loss, we are already in the profit, so we have no risk anymore. And I would say let's go on with our trade. So guys, you see we hit our stop loss here in profit. So we did around like $100 of profit with this trade. And this is here like very, very amazing. So I would say that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. And I would say goodbye.